So what's up guys, Lucy here. Let me show you my fireworks set. We got the gold dust. It's a nice little set. We got golden shower fountain. It's nice. Got little sucky ones there. Got June bug. Lightning flash. Glittering fountain. Here's a nice one. Starfire. I believe this one goes in the air. I don't know. Then we got mortar fire. Then I show you guys rose blossom. Looks like a nice one. And then Dixie Delight. It's a nice little big one. And let's see. A couple more small ones. And yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's my fireworks set, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.